Dan and Vagabond Awake. And we're in Old Casaroro.
Yes.
This is our Cheap Dumaguete Waterfall Tour. We paid only $10 per person, including the driver, for this waterfall tour starting from Dumaguete. At the end of this tour, I will tell you how to take this Cheap Dumaguete Waterfall Tour. They picked 𝐿𝐐iang and I up at our house in Dumaguete, between Dumaguete and Valencia, and drove us up the mountain to the first stop. There are two stops on this tour. The first stop is the old or original Casaroro Waterfalls. The second stop is the Sheintan Ridge View Restaurant and Campgrounds. The Google map is interactive, meaning it will guide you if you decide to do this tour on your own. If you have your own scooter, the guide will charge you $12 for 2 people. So they'll be on their own scooter and you'll be on yours. If you do not have a scooter, they will charge you $8 per person, which includes the ride driving you on the tour. So for 𝐐iang and I, it was $16, but we tipped. But we decided to tip and we paid $10 each. And so 𝐐iang was on one scooter, I was on the other. By the way, we're not controlling the pricing here. We're just telling you what we paid. This is not our tour in that sense. There's another Casaroro Falls further up the mountain. We took you to those falls on our Valencia tour, link provided. These original Casaroro Falls are not as steep, or at least the path to them is not as steep or as hard to get to as the other, because the land or the grade is not as steep getting there. There's a few spots that are steep, but mostly not. They are both glorious hikes and very cheap, so we recommend you take both if you are here for more than a week or so. The other tour we really loved. Here are Apo Island and 𝐶𝐍𝐻 Island.
So we almost there to the old Casaroro. It's much more beautiful than the tourist Casaroro.
The beaches at 𝐶𝐍𝐻 are amazing, and the snorkeling at 𝐶𝐍𝐻 and Apo Islands are as good as anywhere in the world, especially if you love turtles. Links provided. For this tour, I would guess that the hike from the road to the waterfall is around 1.5 kilometers, maybe less. You'll see amazing greenery and water and valley views along the way. The second stop on the tour is, as I said, is the Sheintan Ridge View Restaurant and Campgrounds. You can see Cebu and 𝐶𝐍𝐻 from this viewpoint. You'll also see amazing flowers and Dumaguete in the valley below. If you'd like to take this tour, just click the more information link in the notes below this YouTube video to get the interactive Google map for this tour. At that link, you'll also find the telephone number for our tour guide if you want to contact them, and that's what 𝐻𝐃 does. Very friendly and helpful. Just going to show you a short walk back to the motorcycles, and then I'll show you the next stop on the tours. So there's Cebu over there.
We're up on the mountain here. 𝐷𝐄𝐓𝐈𝐑𝐄. Huh?
If you'd like to find out how I traveled the world for 13 years and fired my boss to travel the world, visit Vagabond Buddha and click the free ebook link at the top. There's also a link at the end of this video to get a copy of that free ebook. Also, we do retired cheap reports all over the world. Just come to Vagabond Buddha and check it out. Thanks so much for watching our video. Have a great day.
So that's Cebu over there. And over on the right here, off in the distance, is 𝐷𝐄𝐏𝐻. On the other side of the water there, if you can see it.
Sir, 𝐷𝐄𝐏.
Oh.
𝐷𝐄𝐏 over there.
Oh,
It's nice. They even have that kind of people.
oh wow.
Buko so may bisa na tuno brad in English anong tuno? No. We put a buko.
We share is
Yeah.
no, we share. Thank you. Yeah.
This time, mom. You try, mom.
Oh, no, I have a share enough.
We are.
No, it's okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice.
It's nice. It reminds me of now we know what can we buy now. We can buy this one also. Very nice.